Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Abdul Kareem Khan, business wala, and I am 12 year old. I study at Rihan School Tuition Academy Batch 3. So आज हमारे साथ है अब्दुल हनान और आज फार्मिंग वाला और आज हम इनका इंटरव्यू लेंगे. तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम अब्दुल हनान.
Walaikum salam.
What is your full name?
My full name is Abdul Hanan Farming Wala.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Pakistan.
Cur- Uh, yes. Which class are you in?
I'm passed out from 10th class and yesterday I'm from joining to first year. Before joining to first year, I'm a student at Rehani High School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Who who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is my school teacher.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is making videos and learning new things.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to use my phone, watch videos, and learn about technology.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a success software engineer in the future.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books because they increase my knowledge.
Who is your best friend in the class?
My best friend is Ali in my class.
What do you enjoy most at school?
I enjoy learning new things and spending time with my friends at school.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I play cricket.
Can you tell me one interesting thing about yourself?
One interesting thing about me is that I enjoy creating social media content.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is horse.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have brother and sisters.
What do you like with?
I live with my family.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. Who do you live with?
I live
Oh, sorry, sorry.
in
What is your favorite season?
my favorite season is winter.
Do you like summer or winter?
Yes, I like winter because the winter is a pleasant.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Oggy.
What kind of music do you like?
I like no music.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I like drawing something.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Do you use a computer every day?
Yes, I use computer almost every day.
What do you do after school?
After school, I complete my homework and use my computer.
Which subject do you find difficult?
I find chemistry difficult.
Which subject do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy math the most.
What is your favorite school activity?
My favorite school activity is participating in pre- some activities.
Do you like doing homework? Why or why not?
Yes, I like doing homework at every day.
Who helped you with your studies?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Who helps you with your studies?
My teacher and my family help in my studies.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is weekend. I relax and time and spend with my family.
What do you usually do on weekend?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Which place would you like to visit?
I like to visit Mecca because this is very beautiful uh, country.
Have you ever visited another city?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Have you ever visit
Yes, I have
another?
visited. Yes, I have visited other cities in Pakistan.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Do you like eating vegetable?
Yes, I like eating vegetables.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family makes me happy.
What makes you laugh?
Sorry.
What makes you laugh?
Funny jokes make me laugh.
Are you an early riser?
Yes, I am early rises.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is software engineer.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I have. I like helping other whenever I can.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Eid ul Fitr.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday with my family and my friends.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
If you had a pet, what would you like to have?
I have a pet and I have a cat. I could like a cat.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Rich Dad Poor Dad.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is National Geographical documentaries.
What do you usually do during holidays?
During holidays, I spend time with my family and learn new skills.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures.
What is your favorite place in your hometown?
My favorite place is my hometown. In my is a local park.
What do you want to learn in the future? Who
Next
inspire you
question.
the Who inspired you the most?
My parents inspires me most.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is make me successful man and make my family proud.
If you could learn any skill, what would it be?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Yes. If you could learn any skill, what would it be?
I could like to software engineering and AI.
Why do you think friendship is important?
Yes, because friendship can make best memories.
So, love everyone.